This is Aaron Dunn speaking. This is my first official intro. May God bless every one of you. Here's the 18th retest call of the retest call series to the Vtech IA5854 5.8 GHz cordless analog telephone with digital answering system, which I had a new message from Hunter07. So here we go.
Hello, please leave a message after the tone.
Hello to the best message on the Vtech IA5854. Thank you. Have a blessed evening. Alright, bye-bye. Alrighty then, so here's my new message.
You have one new message and one old message. Tuesday, 4:30 p.m.
Hello, this is Retest on the Vtech IA5854. Thank you and have a blessed evening. All right, bye-bye.
End of messages.
Alrighty then.
You have two old messages. Sunday, 2 message deleted. End of messages. Answering machine off.
That was it for this video. May God bless every one of you. Thank you for watching my videos. May God bless every one of you.